All right, guys. So this is a new platform you can start making money with this year 25. So this platform is going to help you save up some dollars into your account. So I'm going ahead to show you how you can withdraw money from this particular platform. Of course, a live withdrawal, how you can register, and how you can start making money with this cool platform. So all you simply need to do is just check under the description. There is a link there. Tap on it, and it's going to take you here. First thing first is for you to go ahead and input in your email address here. Now go ahead and enter a login password for yourself. Of course, this login password is going to help you to log into your account anytime you want to enter your account. So the next thing is the security password. Of course, you have to also provide a security password in case anytime you want to withdraw your money, this password will help you, and the invitation code will be given to you for free once you're using my link under the description. So let me log in into my account and show you how this is done. All right, so this is my account. I'm trying to log in right now here. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends too. There is a link to my Telegram channel too. You can join me out there and then share a lot of ideas together too as well. All right, so this is the platform which is called the AI robots. All right, so as I scroll down here, you can see here are a lot of people making money out from it. A lot of people are investing or withdrawing money from this particular platform. So this is an investment platform and you need to withdraw. Now all the indicators you have to have on the platform are shown here. I'll go ahead and show you everything. So first thing first is for you to come to this aspect which says quantify. All right, so once you get to the quantify aspects here, all you simply need to do is to go ahead and invest in any of these products. Let me go ahead and tell you or let you know how the investment platform works on this particular platform. Now you have the VIPs, VIP 1 up to VIP 12. Now for the VIP one, you have to invest an amount of 12 to 98 USDT, and each and every day you are going to get 17.59%, which is equivalent to 2.07 to 16.89 USDT as a daily income for the VIP one. So if you want to go in for VIP one, you can tap on that. So for the VIP two, you have to make an investment of 99 to 398 USDT, and each and every day or the daily income you are going to receive 17.79 USDT, which is equivalent to 17.25 to 69.39 USDT each and every day. And then for the VIP 3, you have to make an investment for 399 to 998 USDT, and each and every day or daily income you're going to get 18.19%, which is equivalent to 71.13 USDT to 177.91 USDT as a daily profit for each and every day. So same applies to the level 4 or the VIP 4 up to the VIP 12 at the down here. All right, so any of this you are interested, all you simply need to do is to click on the unlock. Right, so you can see click on unlock here, tap on that. Now so tap on that, it's going to tell you to confirm, and then go ahead and select the payment method or the proof you want to go ahead and use. So if you want to use TRX, you can tap on that. If you want to use BIP20 USDT, you can use that. BNB, you can use that. TRC20. So in case I want to use my beep 20, I'll go ahead and then tap on that. Now automatically they are going to use the quantifier account. So for the quantification account, each and every day you can go ahead and withdraw. So I want to use that one. Okay, but for the smart account you have to invest, and your account will be growing each and every day till a period you can withdraw. But for the quantitative account, you can go ahead and withdraw each and every single day. Now all you simply need to do here is to just go ahead and copy this address. There is a copy button here. Click on the copy button. It's going to copy the address, send it to any external wallet you have out there, and then make the transaction as a smooth as just like that. All right, once you're done, click on recharge complete. All right, now once you click on recharge complete, it's gonna take time to process to get to know your account has been successfully been transferred, or your money has been successfully transferred to this particular account. So go ahead and choose any of these method for your deposit. All right, so in case you also want to make more money by just referring your friends, to come to the home button at this section here. All right, once you come to the home button at this section, you can see the invite friends here. Tap on the invite friends. Now once you get to this aspect, all you simply need to do is just copy your invitation link right now here. Share it with your friend, and once your friend use a link to join for the level 1, you are going to get 12% out from it. For the level 2, you're going to get 3%, and the level 3, you are going to get 2% out from it. It's very cool for you to start making money on this particular platform. Now, the most interesting part is how you can also make a withdrawal from this particular platform. So let me go ahead and show you guys how you can withdraw. Now, once you get here, tap on the withdraw button here. Now, once you tap on the withdraw button, you can see I have 00 accounts here. Now, my account is on quantitative account or quantify account, so I have to come to the quantify and tap on this button right now here. So in case you want to withdraw each and every time, click below to start quantification. So I want to tap on this. Once I tap on it, it's going to take time to quantify my account. So you see it has started quantifying. So you can see there are some processes going on here, all right, which means I'm going to receive 2.068 USDT in my account. So I'll go ahead and to this aspect and click on withdrawal. Now you can see I have 2.0 USDT at this session here. So I would like to withdraw. I would like to withdraw my 2.0 USDT, all right, and enter in my withdrawal address. All right, of course, a password I have been using. All right, my password, and click on confirm. Now you can see my authentication has been invalid. So it's TRC20. So let me use this one rather. All right, so you can see 2.06 and my address is TRC20, and let me click on the confirm right button here. Right, so you can see that withdrawal success, okay, which means I have withdrawn to my external wallet. Now I'm going to show you the proof in my Telegram channel, so go ahead and check under the description to join my Telegram channel for a lot of proof out there. All right, so you can see I have withdrawn, so I have to wait and it's going to reflect in my account. All right, so the next thing I have to do here is to, in case I need help, all right, in case you have problem with your account, you can see this button here, you can see a lady on a circle here. Tap on it and it's going to tell you to either chat with them on Telegram, or you can join their Telegram channel too. So of course I'm going to leave their Telegram channel to under the description of this particular video, so you can also chat them in case you have any problem with your account. All right, so this is as simple as that. All right, you can start making money with this cool platform. So everything you have to know, just leave it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and all you simply need to do is to just like this particular video, subscribe to this channel for more updates like this, and also go ahead and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.